Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here to discuss about a question called separate the digits in an array. So let's see the question, let's understand this and let's see what we have to do. Given an array of positive integer nums. Oh, they're giving us an array nums where it has positive integers. Okay. Now we need to return an array answer that consists of the digits of each integer in nums. After separating them in the same order, they appear in the nums. Oh, bit tricky one. So we don't call it as easy at all. Like it can be something in the range of easy to medium, as I feel. Okay. So let's understand the question first. The first thing is they'll give us an array nums. For example, 12, 99, 10, 70. Let's call it 7, just 7. Now what we need to do? We need to return an array answer. Okay, we also need to return an array. Okay, that consists of digits of each integer in nums. So this is a number, this is a number, this is a number, this is a number in the nums array. It consists of the digits of each. So this is an integer. The digits of this integer should be there in the array after separating them. So it's 12. So separating them is 1 comma 2. Okay, the same order. So it is 12. The elements order should also be same, 1 comma 2. And for the next number, it is 99, which means 9 comma 9. And next number it is 10, which means 1 comma 0. Next number it is 7, so only saying 7. So in this way, we want the answer. So they'll give you us numbers. They'll give us numbers. Okay, something called of 99, 77, etc. For every number, you need to take that number. You need to split it into digits. It's not always 2 digits. It can be 4 digits or 5 digits, something random. So 99. So we should do it as 9 comma 9. 7, 7, 7, 7. It should be 7 comma 7 comma 7 comma 7. And we need to return this one. This is what we need to do. And they're saying that the same order, which means if you have 732 as a number, the digits in the array should be 7 comma 3 comma 2. You should know it should not be 2 comma 3 comma 7. What the purpose of mentioning this is when we are generating digits of any number, what we generally do is we do 732 modulus 10, which will give us last digit 2. It will not give you 7 actually. First it will give 2, next it will give 3, next it will give 7, which means 2, 3, 7. This is how we will get the order. But they want it in 7, 3, 2. So this is what we need to do, guys. I hope the question is clear, right? So first things first, they are given us an array. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to create an array. But as we know that arrays, when we are creating an array, we should know the size of that. What will be the size? Yes, number of digits is the size of that. But how will you know number of digits? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the size of the array. Cool. But how we will count individually? Here we are able to see the number and we are counting. But what will you do to count the number of digits? How we will do? That's what the question, guys. Very simple. Go to each number. Go to this number. 13. Count digits. How you will count? 13 by 10. It will give you 1. 1 by 10. It will give you 0. Which means you are doing this operation 2 times. So as you guys already know, right? How to get each individual digit. Instead of getting the digit, just increase the count value. That's how you will get that number. After getting, now you know size, like 13, 17, 26, let's say. Now we got to know size. Okay. After getting the size, you will create an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, when you take 13 and do modulus 10, what you will get? You will get 3. 3 should go here or here. Where 3 should go? Here. But how you will identify this place? It's very difficult. If you observe, if you take 2 digits, what if it is 3, 3, 2? We don't know how many number of digits are there in this number. So 1332, where the last digit should go? At 4th place. But how you will identify this index? 3. This is what the tricky part. For that, what we have to do is very simple thing. Start from the end. 26. What will be the first digit you will get? 6. Where this 6 should go? As this is the last number, it should go in the last. Next, you will get 2. It should go in the last. Next, go to 17. 7, 1, 3, 1. Done. That's all, guys. This is what we need to do. Finding the size of the number and starting from the end. That's all. Why we need to start from the end of the array? The purpose of starting from the end of the array is whenever we generally know whenever you do a number modulus 10, you will get a last digit. We cannot generate the first digit. That's the reason. So let's find out the size first. Int size is equal to 0 for I less than nums dot length I plus plus. We need to find out the size. So int temp, or let's say int current number equal to nums of I. For current number, we need to find out the digits. How we will find out? While current not equal to 0, count plus, sorry, not count plus plus. Let's simply size plus plus, size plus plus, and current equal to current by 10. We are doing the division operator. As you already know, every time we will get, for example, if you get 123, whenever you do this operation, it will become, for the first time, it will become 12. After that, it will become 1. After that, it will become 0. Initially, it is 123. Size will become 1. This value will become 12. Again, this is not 0. Size will become 2. This value will become 1. Again, this is 1 is not 0. Size will become 3. Current value 1 will become 0. In this way, every number will become 0 till it is becoming 0. We will increase the size value. After that, create an array. Answer array with size as the size only. Right. Now, from where you will start? Int I equal to nums dot length minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. Okay. Now, get the current number. After that, you need to get the digits. How you will get? Same logic. While current not equal to 0. Okay. We have to do current equal to current by 10. But before that, you need to get the digit. How you will get the last digit? Current modulus 10. Where you need to store this one answer? In the answer array. But at which index? That is the tricky part. We don't know last index. We need to start from the last, as we have already seen the last index. But what is the last index? Int j equal to size minus 1. Size minus 1. So this will be answer of j. At the end, j minus minus. J minus minus. That's all, guys. That's all. This is what we will do. And as I said, at the end, we will simply return answer array. That's all. Done. Let's do run. Let's see if did we make any mistakes. That's all. This is how we do, guys. Finding the size of each, like basically counting number of elements, counting number of digits of entire array, and creating an answer array and starting from the last. The purpose of starting from the last is, as we know, every time we'll get the last digit of the number, not the first digit. So as we're getting the last digit and we need to store them in the same order, the order that you're getting starts from the last. That's all done. This is how we solve this particular question, guys. I hope the question and approach are pretty clear to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's meet in the next one. Until then, see you guys. Bye-bye.